Here we go, it's Saturday, and I feel like crap. I've slept 3 hours and 4 days. Parkinson's killing me. But we got Ron. Ron,
rubber's buggered.
What's the matter, Ron? Your rubber's buggered?
Yeah.
Well, you should have called into the chemist shop on the way round. Oh no. So there's Ron. We got Gordon today. Here he is. Look at him in all his glory. And I'm using the Sony again today because they had to send the Panasonic back. It was only a loaner, and they won't have stocks until July. So I'm stuck at HD until July. Never mind. We'll see what happens then. There we go, Ron. Ooh, that's a good start, Ron. Almost. Wind it up, mate. Yeah, wind it up. It's -2 earlier today, so I'm feeling completely written off, but never mind, I'll do my best. Just bring you the action from the field, as I do. Then Ron's going to be the first. There's Nitro Trainer Gordon here with his Sukhoi. Let's see how things go today. Gotta watch the time of the year. We get the sun right in our eyes. It's terrible. Good time to fly FPV, but not a very good time for line of sight. Looking out over the field there, the sun is just up there. It's terrible, absolutely terrible. Even the camera doesn't like it. Ron's going to do one of those landing things. Beautiful, Ron. Beautiful, mate. Lovely.
2 greens. No, we'll put that back on now. 2 greens.
Ron and Gordon are trying to calibrate the compass on the squad.
2 greens.
Look at this defeatist attitude going to the manual already. All else fails. That should be your last step, not your first step, Ron. Goodness me, we've seen this so many times before on this channel. Drones are so hard. That's why we fly model aircraft. That's so much easier. Gordon's running alright, won't take off. I think he needs bigger props. Those don't look big enough to me. Oh, stand up for this.
Get some water.
Yeah, get a cup of water, Ron. A teaspoon of water so it's in its element. Do some stuff. Do some flips and rolls. Can we set some gates up for you, Gordon? So you've got something to aim for.
It's big enough to bring down an A380.
A320. See that one crashed this morning, eh?
Where?
In Pakistan, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Took out a neighbourhood. Good thing it wasn't a drone or more people would have died. So let's see what's going on here. Ron,
Yeah.
that was shit, mate. What do you think of that? It
Yeah, it was bloody crap.
was crap, wasn't it? Yes, it was terrible.
Yeah.
And why were you trying to kill Gordon on that last landing?
Oh, we don't need him out here anymore. Yeah.
Gordon, why were you standing in the middle of Ron's runway?
What, on the long grass?
Yeah, on his runway. That's Ron's runway, that one. You know that.
And the prop only missed by one.
That's not the edge, that's the end.
So, yeah, it flies really well. Really well. Excellent.
Yeah.
Top quality, mate. Yeah. Must be a happy man, eh? And you built it yourself out of your own head? Well, a kit.
Yeah.
Kit. Where'd you get the kit from?
No one's ever built a plane like that before.
Hopkinton or Banggood, I can't remember. I think it was Banggood.
Banggood, yeah, because it's got carbon leading edge and spars and things.
Yeah. There's carbon along here.
Yep.
And it's got two little carbon spars.
Yeah, so there's not as much balsa as the old ones, eh?
No, these are all
Carbon and ply?
formers of ply.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's got, this is balsa covered here and here.
Yeah.
And all this is plywood.
Yeah, and it's a Piper cub, you can tell by the colour, eh?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
beautiful.
I should have brought my one out.
Need the iron on there to seal
Yeah,
that
you
up.
need that, yeah. It's looking rough.
Mine's orange, isn't it? My cup. Yeah,
Oh,
mine's
beautiful.
orange cup.